Hi students, I am Jay Prakash. Welcome to the session of Post-GATE Guidance 2019 for Electronics and Communication branch. First of all, I would like to congratulate the students who have qualified in the GATE exam 2019. Some of you are very happy after seeing the results of GATE 2019 because the results which you got are up to the expected results, or you might have got even beyond your expected results, right? So because of that, you are very happy. The kind of hard work and dedication and endeavor you have put throughout the year, because of that, you got the results today. With that, you are very much happy. No doubt in it. But if you don't utilize your GATE score or rank effectively, then it is simply misfortune, right? So in this particular video, we will discuss what are the opportunities available in front of you for your GATE score or rank. What are the specializations are there you can choose? What are the institutes you can choose? All those things we will cover in this particular video. Some of you might be unhappy after seeing the results of GATE 2019 because the results which you got may not be up to your expected one, or some of you might even not qualified in the GATE exam 2019. Okay, so don't get disappointed. At the end of this particular video, at the end part of this particular video, we also will cover what you people can do. What are the various other opportunities available for you, we'll also discuss. Okay, right. Now let us start the session. GATE score versus GATE rank. Core interdisciplinary. See, in the GATE score card, you will be having three fields. One is the marks which you got in the GATE exam, and then rank, and then score. Marks you will get out of 100. Okay, according to the order of the merit, you will get the ranking 1, 2, 3 like that. Here you are having GATE score, you will get out of 1000. Out of 1000. So here, the person who got highest marks in the GATE exam for a specific discipline, he will get the score as 1000. Okay. Accordingly, the remaining people will get the different scores. Okay. Right. So, whenever you are going for PSU jobs, there they will consider the marks, GATE marks. Okay. Suppose if you are going for M.Tech, okay, then they will consider GATE rank or GATE score, where this particular field will be useful. Okay, we will discuss now. See, suppose if you are from B.Tech EC branch, okay, if you wanted to do specialization in EC branch only, then the GATE rank itself is sufficient because this will give the order of the merit. Okay, right. Suppose if you are from electrical or any other branch, okay, if you are wanted to do specialization in EC branch, okay, then the eligibility is not only one particular branch, right? Multiple branches are there. Okay, there in order to know who is the merit, okay, their GATE score will be helpful in order to know the order of the merit. Okay, so if it is a core branch, then either GATE score or GATE rank, either of these two fields you can consider in order to know the order of the merit. If it is interdisciplinary, then GATE score will be useful in order to know who is the merit, in order to know the order of the merit. Okay, right. Now let us see the opportunities through GATE. Okay, you are having three opportunities, that is higher education and PSUs, that is PSU jobs, and then research. Now let us see all these details one by one in the coming slides. In higher education, you are having master programs. Most of the people know that through GATE, we are having only one higher education, that is master's program. But not only that, we are having few more opportunities through GATE related to higher education. That is direct PhD, management courses, and abroad opportunities. If you are interested in research work, then you can prefer direct PhD. Suppose if you are interested in management, then you can prefer management courses. Suppose if you wanted to do M.Tech or Masters in foreign, then you can prefer abroad opportunities. Okay. Now let us see what are the various Masters programs available. You are having M.Tech or ME and MS. See, in some colleges you will be having Masters program of M.Tech. In some other colleges you will be having Masters program of ME. With respect to weightage point of view, both M.Tech and ME are equal weightage. There is no difference. Some colleges they will offer Masters program as M.Tech. Some other colleges will offer ME. In very few colleges, there you will be having both programs like M.Tech and ME, both will be present. For example, in IISc Bangalore, you are having both ME and M.Tech. Okay. So, for ME program, there will be direct admission. That means whatever the gate score is there, based upon that gate score, there will be direct admission for ME branch in IISc Bangalore. Whereas for M.Tech program, there they will conduct interview also. Right? Okay. Then next one is MS program. MS is nothing but M.Tech research oriented. That is M.Tech program only, Master's program, but it is research oriented. Okay. So, for the time being, I am considering both M.Tech and ME as same only. Because we are, with respect to weightage point of view, both are same. That means, after completion of your M.Tech, Master's program, either M.Tech or ME, you will get the equal opportunities. Okay. That's why, for the time being, I am considering M.Tech and ME as single one, M.Tech. Okay. And we are having MS, that is Master's program. Master's in research. Okay. M.Tech in research. So now let us see what is the difference between these two. M.Tech is the 2 years program. That means you are having 4 semesters. Okay. In some colleges you will be having first 3 semesters as coursework and 4th semester as project work. That means in 3rd semester you will be having little bit of project work and then majority of project work will be there in the 4th semester. That means this particular M.Tech program is designed mostly related to industry oriented. Okay. Or course oriented. It is just like your B.Tech program. You will be having classwork, labs like that, right? Whereas MS is 3 years program. There you are having 6 semesters. Okay. In the first semester only you are having coursework and remaining semesters you are having project work. Because it is most related to research oriented, so you are having most of the semesters related to project work. Okay. So if you are really interested about research oriented, then only you opt MS program because it is a 3 years program. Okay. Whereas if you wanted job oriented program, then you prefer M.Tech because it is a 2 years program. Right. Here we have given the list of specializations based on the order of preference. That means in the market after you complete M.Tech, okay, the number of job opportunities are available. So accordingly we have given the list of specializations. Okay. So here you are having VLSI or microelectronics and then communication systems, integrated electronics, microwave engineering, signal processing, control and automation, nanotechnology and then optoelectronics. See, whatever the order we have specified here, that is based upon the number of job opportunities are available. Okay, according to that we have placed. Okay, so whenever you wanted to choose any particular specialization, okay, first of all, you should like that particular specialization. Then only you can prefer. Or otherwise, if you are having interest, then you can prefer. Otherwise, it is very difficult, right? So here, suppose if you wanted to specialize in microelectronics or VLSI, then you should be strong in EDC and analog circuits or analog electronics. Okay. So similarly, if you wanted to do specialization in communication system, then you should be strong in signals and system and then communications. Okay. Similarly, integrated electronics or integrated circuits. So if you are having interest about analog ICs or digital ICs, then you can opt for this particular branch. So like that. Okay. These are the list of specializations which we have given based on the available job opportunities. Okay. Now, next one is how to enter. What are the process are there for doing master's program? Okay. So here, as I mentioned earlier, we are considering both M.Tech and ME as single. Okay. Right. In M.Tech, okay, you are having core. That means your B.Tech branch and M.Tech specialization which you wanted to choose. Both are related to same branch. Or if you are having B.Tech in one particular branch, if you wanted to do specialization in another branch, that is called interdisciplinary. M.Tech interdisciplinary. And then MS. MS program, that is M.Tech research. Okay, so here we are having three varieties. That means direct admission, that means purely based upon your GATE score. There won't be any interview in order to get admission into the M.Tech. So that particular direct admission is possible only for M.Tech core, that too very limited colleges. Okay, so the direct admission is not possible in M.Tech interdisciplinary or MS course. Okay, right. Next one is GATE plus interview. That means they will conduct interview based upon your performance in GATE. Okay, along with your GATE score. They will give the admission in M.Tech core and similarly in MS also. Okay. And then GATE plus exam plus interview. So they will conduct both written test and interview. Okay. So that is there for M.Tech interdisciplinary and MS programs. So overall conclusion is for M.Tech core, you will be having direct admission in limited colleges. Okay. And other colleges you will be having GATE plus interview. Okay. Whereas for M.Tech interdisciplinary, you will be having GATE plus exam plus interview. Okay. Whereas for MS program, you will be having GATE plus interview or GATE plus exam plus interview. That means broadly if you see, there will be either exam, that means either written test or interview along with your GATE score, right? So you just assume there will be both written test and interview will be there. Okay, you don't get relaxed. See, the moment you got very good score or very good rank, okay, you may be relaxed. Like you may be thinking like you will get the chance or you will get the admission in IITs or IISc. Okay, don't get relaxed. You may be relaxed for few days, but you just be prepared in such a way that you assume there will be written test and interview. Okay, because they will conduct either written test or interview based on the number of candidates they will appear for that particular admission. Okay, so based upon the number of candidates they will put both written test and interview or only interview, like that. So you just assume that there will be both written test and interview. Okay, so you should prepare for both. Okay, right. These are the GATE 2018 cutoffs for the topmost specialization of EC branch, that is microelectronics and VLSI or microelectronics. Okay, some colleges they will put the specialization as microelectronics, some colleges they will put as VLSI, or some colleges they will put as microelectronics and VLSI, like that. Okay, so here we are giving just a sample, okay, of regarding microelectronics and VLSI of 4 colleges for last year cutoffs. Here the cutoff score has mentioned. Okay, so for IISc Bangalore, the program is M.Tech microelectronics. For general category 972, OBC 918, SC 607, ST 476. For IIT Bombay, program M.Tech microelectronics, general 873, OBC 777, SC 647, ST 596. IIT Kanpur, program M.Tech microelectronics and VLSI, general 853, OBC 796, SC 632, ST 556. IIT Madras, program M.Tech microelectronics and VLSI, general 775, OBC 662, SC 589, ST 365. Here just for reference we have given the sample regarding microelectronics and VLSI of top 4 colleges. Okay, so there will be a PDF file. You will get a particular link at the bottom. Okay, you just go through that particular PDF file. There you will get for all the branches, whatever the specializations are available related to EC. Okay, in all the topmost colleges of India. Okay, you just go through it. So these are the details of last year GATE cutoff scores of various colleges and the respective specializations. So you go through it, so you'll get one particular idea. So where to apply and which specialization you can choose, etc. All those things. Okay. Now, let us see the preference of institutes. So in the group 1, we are having IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay. Suppose if you get the admission in both IISc Bangalore and IIT Bombay, then which one you have to choose? See, if you are really more interested in research, then you can prefer IISc Bangalore. It doesn't mean in IIT Bombay you don't have research opportunities. No, not like that. Comparatively, you are having more research opportunities in IISc Bangalore, like that. Okay. Suppose if you wanted job oriented, then you can prefer IIT Bombay. So you can choose either IISc Bangalore or IIT Bombay. So based upon your interest, whether you wanted job oriented or whether you're having research interest. So accordingly, you can choose either of these. Okay, right. And then in group 2, we are having IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur and IIT Madras. You can choose any one of these 3 IITs. All these are come under group 2. So in IIT Kanpur, especially they will conduct both written test and interview while doing M.Tech admission. Okay. So you start prepare for both written test and interview. You assume that there will be both written test and interview in order to get M.Tech admission in IISc or any of IIT. Okay. You start prepare. Okay. So based upon the number of candidates, okay, are appearing for that particular admission, so accordingly they will conduct either written test or interview. But you assume that there will be both written test and interview, so you start preparing from now onwards. Okay. Next one, in group 3, we are having IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kharagpur M.Tech program is equivalent to the research assistant program in IIT Bombay and MS program in IIT Delhi, joint computer applications in IIT Delhi. So you can choose any of these IITs based upon the program. Okay, right. That is the third priority. And then in group 4, you are having IIT Guwahati, IIT Roorkee, and then Institute of Technology BHU. Okay, so it's really, you will get a good experience if you do M.Tech in either IISc or any of these IITs. You will get 100% placements and you will get lot of exposure regarding the latest technology which is going in the entire world. Okay, and not but not the least, you will get the association of top professors of India, right? And then in the group 5, we are having the combination of NITs and then new IITs. Okay, in top 3 NITs are NIT Trichy, NIT Warangal, NIT Surathkal. These 3 NITs are very next to the old IITs. So here also you will get the 100% placements. Okay, so you can choose. If you are unable to get the seat in the old IITs or IISc, then you should prefer NITs, old NITs. These 3 are the top NITs. NIT Trichy, NIT Warangal, NIT Surathkal. Okay, and then you can prefer the new IITs like IIT Bhubaneswar, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Hyderabad, IIT Jodhpur. And then we are having the colleges order like this: NIT Calicut, NIT Allahabad, NIT Jaipur, NIT Rourkela, IIT Indore, Mandi, Patna, Ropar. And then NIT Delhi, Bhopal, Surat, Kurukshetra, Raipur, Jamshedpur, Jadavpur University, Kolkata, NIT Durgapur, NIT Jalandhar. So first priority is IISc and then the world IITs and then topmost NITs, top 3 NITs and then new IITs, like that. Whatever the order we have given, you can follow this particular order. It will be useful when you are choosing a particular institute. Okay. And then the institutes will come under group 6, like DTU, Delhi Technological University, and then BITS Pilani, and then COEP, College of Engineering, Pune. And then group 7, government universities like JNTU, Usmania, and etc. And then private engineering colleges. Okay. And then you're having ISI Kolkata, Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. If you wanted to do M.Tech in computer science branch, this is the one of the good institute. You can do M.Tech in this particular college, ISI Kolkata. You can apply with your EC gate score. So up to now we have discussed the various specializations available in ECE and the order of preference we have discussed, and then the list of colleges, the top colleges of India, how to choose the particular college, all those things we have discussed up to now. Okay, And I have mentioned earlier, you should prepare. You should just assume that there will be both written test and interview will be there, especially in the IISc and IITs. Okay. So you just assume that way and you prepare accordingly. Okay. So now let us discuss how to prepare for written test and interview. Regarding written test, specialization dependent and engineering mathematics. Suppose if you wanted to do M.Tech in microelectronics specialization. Suppose if you wanted to do M.Tech in microelectronics specialization, then you should be strong in the basic subjects for that particular specialization. That is EDC and analog circuits. Okay. So if you master in those particular subjects, then you can clear the written test of that particular admission. Okay. So you have to prepare thoroughly of the basic subjects. What regarding the specialization which you are choosing. Okay. And engineering mathematics is must and should. Because mathematics is very much essential for all the engineering subjects, right? And then related to interview. Your B.Tech project. See, you have to be 100% thorough in the entire project work of your B.Tech. Whatever the project work you have done. See, whatever the components or the blocks which you have used in your project work, you should be 100% thorough in that. Means, why you have used that particular component or block. You should have the justification. Suppose, if you have implemented some microcontroller based project, right? So why suppose you have used say 8051 microcontroller, right? Why you used only 8051 microcontroller? Why not 8052? Or why not any other microcontroller? So you should have the justification. Okay. You should know the justification, right? So you should be 100% thorough in that project work. Okay. And then basics of specialization chosen. So whatever I have mentioned earlier regarding written test, the same thing will applicable here. And then during interview time, whatever you are saying, there should be clarity and confidence on whatever you are saying, right? So that will matter a lot. If you don't know anything, so you directly say politely, sir, I don't know. No issue. Instead of that, you don't put any false statements and all. Don't try to put all those things. Okay. You should try to speak with clarity and confidence, whatever you are saying during the interview. That will help a lot. Okay. And then next higher education program is direct PhD. See, if you are really interested in doing research work, then you can prefer direct PhD. So after your B.Tech, directly you can join for PhD course, okay, through GATE score, and there will be interview also. Okay. So this is a 5-year program. First 2 years you will get the stipend of 25,000 rupees per month, and next 3 years you will get the stipend of 28,000 rupees per month. And sometimes industry will sponsor for your project work or research work which you are doing. Okay. They will sponsor for your research work. So you will get some more additional amount also as a stipend. Okay. Next one, management courses. If you are really interested in doing the management, then you can opt these management courses. Here you will be having FPM. These are the doctoral programs, Fellowship Program of Management. Regarding management in India, the topmost institutes are IIMs, Indian Institute of Management. Okay. Here eligibility is B.Tech plus GATE. They will conduct the interview also. This is a course of 4 to 5 years. You will get the stipend monthly as 20,000 to 30,000 and annual contingency elements. So annually you will get some particular elements. Okay. And then NIT Mumbai. After IIMs, the very next institute is NIT Mumbai regarding management course. Here you are having the PG courses like PGDIE, PGDPM and PGDMM. Here the course duration is 2 years. Here you will be having both group discussion and interview. If your all India rank is say 1000 to 1500, you can apply for management courses. If you are interested in doing management, you can apply for NIT Mumbai. And then in IIT Kanpur, the management course is IME, Industrial Management and Engineering. Here also there will be both group discussion and personal interview. Okay. And then foreign opportunities. If you wanted to do master's program in foreign through GATE score, okay, these are the opportunities available. So as of now, 2 countries are providing the master's program through GATE score. That is Singapore and Germany. Those are NTU Singapore, NUS Singapore, Technical University Germany, RWTH Aachen University Germany. So in addition to your GATE score, you may have to clear the language exams like GRE and TOEFL. Okay, right. So up to now we have discussed about higher education programs. Now let us discuss the other opportunity through GATE, that is PSUs, PSU jobs. Okay, so here some of the PSUs we are giving a list. Those are Power Grid, IOCL, ONGC, NTPC, NLC, GAIL and BHEL and etc. So these are the topmost PSUs. Just for reference we are giving. Okay, there are some more PSUs also there. They will give the job opportunity based upon your GATE score and they will conduct group discussion and interview. Okay. So if your all India rank is less than 250, then you will get the more chances in order to get the PSU job. Sometimes you will get the chance up to all India rank 500 if you are having the luck. Okay. So in general they will give the 85% of weightage to your GATE marks. Whatever the marks you got in the GATE exam, for that they will give 85% weightage. And the remaining 15% weightage they will give for the group discussion and personal interview which they will conduct at the PSU. Okay. So here you have to prepare for both group discussion and personal interview. Right. Now let us see how to prepare for group discussion. See, whatever the topics which you are going or whatever the things are happening around you in the India, you should aware of those topics. At least for about last 1 month or 2 months, you should be aware of all those topics. Whatever the hot topics are going on. Okay, right. And then you should have the little bit knowledge of those topics also. First thing is, you should have the awareness of what are the things are happening in India. Okay. And then you should have the knowledge about those topics also, right? And then most of the people will think that group discussion means it is only like talking only. Okay, it's not only that, but there will be weightage for listening skills also. Because whenever in that particular group, okay, whenever someone is speaking, you have to listen that. So that whatever the point you wanted to discuss later, you can continue with his point, right? So that's why listening skills also very much important in the group discussion. Sometimes whatever other people may be saying may not be true, or you may be having different opinion of what others saying, right? So in that time, at that time, you don't speak in the argument oriented or fighting mode. Okay. You try to discuss whatever the points you are having in a peaceful manner. Okay. So there, mostly they will check how you will be suited or whether you will be suited in the team or not. Because sometimes whatever the decisions or whatever the project works are going on, okay, or whatever the decisions they are taking, you may be agreed to them or you may not be agreed to them. So whenever you are having disopinion, you should tell in the constructive manner, right? So that particular quality, whether you are having or not, they will judge in the group discussion. Okay. And then initiation. Whenever group discussion is starting, okay, if you know about the complete idea or knowledge about that particular topic, then only you should take the initiation. Otherwise, don't take it. Because if you don't know about that particular topic, don't try to do the initiation. Okay. And then summarizing. Summarizing is also very important. The person who do the initiation, he will get some bonus points. Similarly, the person who do the summarizing, he also will get the bonus point. Because in that entire discussion, whatever happened, he will consider all the points and he will give the detail. He will summarize it, right? So he will get the bonus points, right? So in this way, you can prepare group discussion among your friends related to a particular subject or topic. Okay. Next one, how to prepare for personal interview. in general, there will be like the selection ratio will be like 1:3. That means if you are having say 5 seats are available in the PSU, they will call for 15 people. They will conduct the interview for 15 people like that. Regarding B.Tech project work. So previously also I have mentioned regarding B.Tech project work regarding the interview related to M.Tech admission, right? There you should have the complete idea about your B.Tech project work. But here at least you should know the overall idea of your B.Tech project. Okay. If you are having the basic idea and overview of your B.Tech project, then that is sufficient. Okay. And then why opting for PSU? You should know why you are selecting that particular PSU. You should have the very clear idea. They will ask like this question. Okay. You should have the very clear idea in order to answer that particular question. Why you are choosing that particular PSU, right? And then prepare 3 interested subjects. Whatever the subjects you like in the B.Tech, okay, you choose 3 subjects which you are having more interest, and then prepare thoroughly, and so that you will clear the interview part. Okay, right. And then you should have the knowledge about that particular PSU. To whichever PSU you are going for interview, you should have the basic knowledge. Okay. Next opportunity through GATE is research. So if you are really interested in the research work, then you can choose these research programs. Okay, these research programs are offering through GATE score, and they will conduct interview also. Okay, first one is CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. So here you are having 2 programs, JRF, Junior Research Fellowship, and another one is integrated course. In JRF program, you will get monthly stipend as 25,000. In integrated course, you will get monthly stipend as 28,000. Integrated course is nothing but M.Tech plus PhD. And next one is DRDO. There also you are having 2 opportunities. One is scientist, another one is JRF. Okay. Related to JRF, you will get monthly stipend as 25,000. And then BARC, you will get the scientist post. Okay. So BARC will conduct through GATE score, they will process, and without GATE also. That means they will conduct separate exam also in order to get the posting, scientist post. Okay. So here, if you are really interested in research, okay, then you can apply for these particular organizations in order to get the scientist post or JRF, etc. So here you have to prepare for interview very strongly, especially in the BARC and DRDO. The interviews will be very tough. You have to prepare very strongly on whatever the subjects you are choosing. Okay, right. Up to now, we have discussed about the various opportunities through GATE, that is master's program or other programs related to higher education, and then PSU jobs, and then research, right? So most of the people will be having this type of questions, right? So I will give the suggestions for these questions, right? First one is, should I opt for higher education or PSUs? See, if you are getting the dream job in PSU, then you can choose that PSU job. Okay, if you are getting the PSU job which is related to your dream job, then only you can prefer the PSUs. Suppose if you are having the dream job, but that particular dream job is not offering by any PSU, then you can go for higher education. Because in higher education, whichever specialization you wanted to do, you can do it in IISc or IITs or top 3 NITs. After that, you will get the very good placements. Okay, you can settle the career in your desired job. Okay, you can choose your desired job, right? Next question is, will I get job after M.Tech? Yes. If you do the M.Tech in IISc or world IITs and then top 3 NITs, if you do M.Tech in these institutes, definitely you will get the job. If you do M.Tech in other IITs or other NITs, then there will be number of placements may be less. Okay, but with the moment you are having the brand, IIT brand or NIT brand, okay, after that, after doing the M.Tech, what will happen? You will get some knowledge, right? So with that knowledge, you can apply for various companies, okay, where you wanted to choose. So accordingly, with your endeavor, definitely you will get the job, right? And then next question is M.Tech in top colleges versus scientist post in research. See, this is purely depend on your interest. If you are having interest in research, then you can apply for scientist post, okay? Otherwise, if you want a job-oriented program, then you can go for M.Tech in top colleges, like that. Next question is very important question, college versus specialization. See, previously I have given the list of specializations, okay, order of priority, and list of colleges also order of priority. Now, most of the people will get the confusion, whether should I prefer college priority or should I prefer specialization priority. Which one I have to give more priority? Which one I have to consider, right? So, it is purely depend on your interest in the particular specialization, right? So, if you like a particular specialization, suppose due to some reason if you are unable to get some particular college which you are expected, no problem. You can do that particular specialization M.Tech program in other college. Because since that particular specialization you like, you will definitely do hard work, you will like it, and with that you will definitely get the job. There is no issue, right? Should I prepare for GATE again? See, most of the people will be having this question. See, suppose if you are targeted for say IISc or IITs or NITs, okay, but due to some reason, if you are unable to get the M.Tech admission in those colleges, then if you don't have financially, there is no problem, there is no issue, then you try for one more attempt. Okay, so that what will happen? In the next year, you will get better rank, better score. You will definitely get the M.Tech admission or any other admission, whichever you wanted. You will get the opportunity there, right? Suppose if you are having financially some problem, then you can do M.Tech in other colleges and parallelly prepare for GATE once again. So this time you can try to attempt for PSU job, right? So that you will get the government job, secure job, right? So, and by the time you will get the M.Tech degree also, because GATE score is valid for 3 years, right? So definitely you will be having M.Tech degree and you will get the PSU job also. So in any way, it is an advantage only. So you try to prepare for one more attempt. If you are unable to satisfy with the current GATE score or rank, okay, if you are meant for something higher, then definitely I will suggest you prepare for one more year. There is no issue in that. Okay, definitely you will get better score and better rank in the upcoming year. Okay. Next one is not successful in GATE. See, here not successful means it's not only that the people who haven't qualified in the GATE exam, but also the people who appeared for the GATE and they expected their results or they with their GATE score or rank, okay, they wanted to get into IITs or IISc or top NITs, okay, but due to some reason they were unable to, okay. So that is also, I will call it as not successful only. Because you are meant for or you have desired for something higher, but you are unable to reach to that particular level. Okay, that I will call it as not successful. So for that, first you analyze what is the reasons for your failure. You analyze your failure. Okay, and then rectify those mistakes, whatever you have done during the exam. Okay, and you don't repeat those mistakes once again. So this will improve in order to get the success in the upcoming GATE exam, right? So here I am giving the causes for failure, like time management in exam, silly mistakes in the exam, lack of practice, confusion with formulas, unable to get the idea to solve logic, question is not clear, left few subjects. See, time management is very much important. Not only in the GATE exam, anywhere. Time management is very important. Because if you not able to properly manage the time, then what will happen, especially in the GATE exam, you will be not able to get the time to solve few questions. Even though those questions are very familiar, you will get the answers easily. Because you are unable to manage your time properly, you might have not answered few questions, right? So you will get how to manage the time properly by doing or by practicing more grand tests and mock tests. By attempting those questions, you will come to know like which question you have to attempt related to which subject and then which subject, like that. Your mind will be habituated, and then you will get idea how to manage the time within the limited time, how to score maximize, like that, right? And then silly mistakes you might have done in the exam, like in the place of minus you might have put plus, or in the place of plus you might have put minus, like that. Okay. Lack of practice. So practice is very much essential. You should solve as many problems as possible. Okay. And then confusion with formulas. Most of the people will say we cannot remember the formulas. See, in the GATE exam, if you see what are the formulas you are having, okay, all those are logically related. That means if you are strong in the fundamentals, basics, you just write the notes of those topics, and then you can remember the formula through some logic, right? So in this way you can remember the formula easily, right? And then unable to get idea to solve logic. For this, it will help if you do n number of problems, try to solve. So then you will get the number of ideas. And one more thing, you make synopsis. So just go through the synopsis whenever you are solving the problems, some problems. Just have the synopsis and go through that and then try to solve. So you will get the ideas. And then question is not clear. See, most of the time what will happen in the exam, in the hurry, okay, we will read the question with more speed, right? So because of that, we won't get any clarity of that particular question. But if you read the question at the normal speed, at your normal speed, then you will get the 50% answer in the question itself, right? So try to read the question at your normal speed. Try to make it as a habit. It will give you a better result, okay? And then left few subjects. Most of the people will say, we haven't read few subjects at all just before going for GATE exam. So it should not happen. See, especially in the GATE exam nowadays, they are framing the questions in such a way that they are clubbing the concepts of 2-3 different subjects also, right? So whenever you are facing any difficulty in particular subject, okay, instead of leaving entire subject like that, just at least you should have the basic idea, basic synopsis, okay, of that particular subject, like that. So that at least you will be having awareness of that particular subject, then you can attempt those questions also, right? And next question is, should I write GATE again? Yes. You prepare for once again for GATE exam for one more year, definitely you will get the good rank. Do hard work, definitely you will get the good rank. Don't stop preparation. Next one is, will gap dropout matter in PSUs or M.Tech? Definitely no. See, if you suppose in this year your GATE performance is not good, then definitely you prepare for one more year, definitely you will get higher score, definitely you will get good rank, right? So with that you will get the higher opportunities, like you will get M.Tech admission in IITs or IISc, or you will get the job also, PSUs, okay? So try to put for one more year, do more hard work, okay? Dedicatedly you work out with a proper planning, you will get the definitely a good score, better result you will get, okay? So if you are not successful in the GATE exam 2019, there is no issue. Whatever the preparation you done till now, definitely it will be useful for other opportunities which you are having in front of you. So you are having non-GATE opportunities like non-GATE PSUs. That means few PSUs are there. They will conduct separate written tests and interviews. Okay. So you prepare parallelly for those interviews and written tests. Okay. So the institutes or organizations are like this: ISRO, BARC, Electricity Boards, RRB. Okay. So you start prepare the GATE for one more year parallelly, whatever the opportunities are there in front of you, you prepare accordingly for that particular exam. Whatever the syllabus is there, and based upon the type of the exam, okay, and interview or written test, so accordingly you make the plan and you prepare. Because see, whatever the topics you prepared for GATE, more or less it is the same syllabus is for other exams also, right? So the only thing, based upon the different exam, based upon the exam, you have to mold accordingly. So what to prepare, what not to prepare. So if you know that art, then you prepare accordingly, definitely you will get the success. If you are unable to get the success in GATE, at least you will get the success in other places, right? So, and parallelly you prepare for the GATE for coming year. So during this time, meanwhile, whatever the opportunities are there in front of you, right? So you parallelly prepare for these exams, so that what will happen? You will attempt all these exams, you will attend for written tests, you will apply for written tests, and then you will attend for interviews, right? So you will get lot of experience, right? So if you are able to get the opportunity here, so if you are liking that one, you can continue that. Otherwise, you will get definitely good GATE score in the coming year, right? So with that, either you can prefer PSU job or you can do M.Tech program in IISc or IITs or NITs, okay? So in this particular video, we have discussed what are the opportunities are available in front of you and how to proceed, how to prepare, etc. for all the GATE 2019 students, right? I hope this video is useful for you. Wish you all the success. Thank you.